What is a complete graph? Now look at that. This is university question, appeared in 2023 in the month of November and December. Now the question is define a complete graph. Define a complete graph. Now look at the screen. What is a complete graph? Or we can say define or we can say what is a complete graph? What is a complete graph? Now let me explain to you now what is a complete graph. Now I take white ink. Now define or what is a complete graph. Now look at that. Now look at the picture. Now I am going to draw now. Okay, take for example, this is one vertex V1, this is second vertex V2, this is third vertex V3, this is fourth vertex V4. Now I take this vertex and join with all other vertex V2, V4 and V3. Okay, now let me take another ink for that, so that it is very easy to understand. From this I am making one edge to this vertex. From this I am making another edge to this vertex. From this vertex I am making an edge to other vertex V2. So what I did, from the single vertex I have joined to all other vertices. Now come to the V2. Now as I did here also I am doing. I join this vertex to this vertex, already is joined. I make an edge from this V2 to this V3. I am making an edge from this V2 to V4. Okay, so what I did, I made an edge from this vertices, from this vertex to this vertices. Now I come to V3. So from V3 I already made an edge. From V3 I already made an edge. From V3 I now make an edge. Now I come to V4. Now V4 have an edge with V1, V4 have an edge with V2, and V4 have an edge with V3. Now what I understand here is that for any pair of vertices, this pair have edge, this pair have edge, this pair has edge, this pair has edge, then this pair has an edge, this pair has an edge. So there exists edge with each and every pair of vertices in this graph. Am I correct? So such a graph we call it as a complete graph. Okay, so now what is complete graph? I will explain you now. Okay, now what is a complete graph? A complete graph is one. Now if in a graph if in a graph each and every every, every pair of vertices, vertices contains, contains an edge, then that graph is called complete graph. So we must know that this is what we have to understand. Okay, so if in a graph, this is a graph in which each and every pair of vertices contains an edge, then this graph is called a complete graph. Thank you, and I will come with another example in the next class. Now we can have lot of graph like this. Now take for example, I will give you so this is also a good example for complete graph, because each and every pair have edges here. Am I correct? This is a good example for a complete graph. Similarly, I can take this one. Okay, so this is one vertex, another vertex, another vertex, another vertex. Now this vertex also should be joined. So this is a complete graph, we can say. Similarly here, now look at that. We can join this and this, we can join this and this, we can join this and this. So every pair here, this pair have an edge, this pair have an edge, this pair of vertices have an edge, this pairs of have an edge. So this is also a good example for a complete graph. Okay, so this is a way we can define. So a graph is called a complete graph if each and every vertices in that graph must be connected by an edge, then that graph is called a complete graph. Thank you.